won't believe the incredible way this mother bird saved her chick from a deadly disease. A group of researchers in a wildlife sanctuary were studying the fascinating world of animal parenting, and they stumbled upon an amazing example of a mother bird's devotion. Meet the American robin, a bird known for its beautiful melodies and striking brown backs. This mother, robin, had built a nest in a cozy tree, carefully laying her eggs and waiting for them to hatch. But when one of her chicks showed signs of a deadly fungal disease, the mother bird sprang into action. The disease, called avian cholera, is usually caused by a type of bacteria that enters the body through wounds or cuts. The mother robin started by isolating her sick chick from the others, making sure it didn't pass the disease on. She also began to bring her chick food that was rich in nutrients, hoping to boost its immune system. But the most surprising thing she did was to start preening, or cleaning, her chick's feathers with her beak. This may seem like a strange behavior, but it's actually a clever way to transfer antibodies from her body to her chicks. These antibodies, or proteins, help fight off infections and keep the chick healthy. The researchers were amazed by the mother robin's behavior, saying it was like she was giving her chick a special kind of medicine. They studied the chick's progress, and to their surprise, it began to recover from the disease. The mother robin's parenting skills had literally saved her chick's life. But how does this work? Well, when a mother bird like this robin preens her chick, she's transferring her own antibodies into the chick's body. These antibodies help fight off the disease by recognizing and attacking the bacteria that caused it. It's an incredible example of the complex relationship between a mother and her young, and a reminder of the amazing things animals will do to protect their families. And it just goes to show that even in the animal kingdom, mothers will do whatever it takes to keep their kids safe. This kind of dedication is seen in many other animals too, like dolphins, who have been known to care for their sick or injured pods, and even help other species like whales or seals when they're in trouble. It's a remarkable display of compassion and empathy, and it's clear that these animals are driven by a strong instinct to protect and nurture their loved ones. But even with all these amazing examples of animal parenting, disease is still a major threat to many species. In fact, some diseases are so contagious and deadly, they can wipe out entire populations in a matter of weeks. That's why it's so important for animals to have strong immune systems, and for mothers to pass on those antibodies to their young. It's a delicate balance, and one that's crucial for the survival of many species. In some cases, animals have even evolved unique ways to fight off disease, like the monarch butterfly, which can produce chemicals that help protect it from parasites. It's an incredible example of how animals have adapted to their environments, and how they've developed complex strategies to stay healthy. And it's not just the animals themselves that are fascinating, but also the ecosystems they live in. By studying these ecosystems, we can learn more about the intricate relationships between animals, plants, and microorganisms, and how they all work together to create a balanced and healthy environment. So what can we learn from these amazing animal parents? And how can we apply that to our own lives? Well, for one thing, it's clear that taking care of our families is a fundamental instinct that's shared across the animal kingdom. And by studying these incredible examples of animal parenting, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the importance of family, and the lengths to which parents will go to protect and care for their young. If you want to learn more about the fascinating world of animal behavior, be sure to check out our next video where we'll be exploring the complex social structures of insects and how they work together to build intricate societies.